In this video, I want to show you how you could scale your service-based business to at least $10,000 a month following these 3 keys that I bet you never heard before. Number 1 is you need a predictable marketing system that gets clients and customers for you 24/7 with predictability. The reason most service-based businesses can't scale beyond $10,000 a month is because they're relying on organic methods only, like handing out business cards, passing out flyers, word of mouth, Angie's List, trying to do SEO, trying to do all these different things, spamming Facebook groups. And although those things can work and it can get you customers, it's just not a predictable way to scale your business. Number 2 is you need a sales process. Many times, service-based business owners, when they get marketing going and they're trying to get customers, they don't know how to have a conversation to get people to actually pay them for their service. And so sales process is number 2. You could have the most attention in the world, but if you don't know how to convert attention into actual customers, you don't have a business. The third thing is automation. Most businesses, the owner is a jack of all trades. He's wearing every single hat. And look, I get it. It's one way to start there, but you cannot scale your business to 10K a month consistently most of the time if you're doing everything. And so those 3 things will allow you to take your business to the next level. If this video helped you in any way, please like it, drop a comment below, and then go ahead, hit that subscribe button because I'm always posting content to help you actually grow your business in practical ways. Let me know in the comments below what problems you're facing in your business right now, and I will potentially make a YouTube video around that so that you could have the wisdom and the knowledge you need to take it to the next level. Thank you guys for watching this.